Welcome to the future of manufacturing. The year is 2025, and change is the only constant. Markets flip overnight. Supply chains and labor are more unpredictable than ever. As business leaders, you're feeling the pressure. Faster lead times, tighter compliance, sustainability demands, and shrinking margins are your new normal. Stuck with legacy ERP systems? They slow you down, burying your team in manual steps and rigid processes. That's not how modern manufacturing wins. You need an ERP that's not just powerful, but agile, one that grows and adapts with you. Enter Odoo 18, the cloud-ready, future-proof solution built for speed and flexibility. Let's see why it matters. Let's talk trends. The manufacturing world is transforming, fast. First, AI, IoT, and machine learning are everywhere. By the end of this year, a whopping 65% of manufacturers will rely on real-time machine data and AI insights. Second, over 70% of companies are moving their core ERPs to the cloud. That means instant, anywhere access, with smooth integrations that just work. Third, real-time analytics isn't a nice-to-have anymore. Leaders demand instant dashboards. If you can't see your data, you can't compete. And let's not forget those unpredictable labor shortages and supply chain snags. The answer? Smarter automation and reshoring operations. Every industry, food, automotive, electronics, needs specialized ERP tools. One size fits all is over. And, as governments raise the bar on sustainability, manufacturers must track and prove their green initiatives. The future demands agility. Let's see how Odoo 18 rises to that challenge. Now, let's dive into the heart of agility, Odoo 18's power features. First up, real-time visibility and smart automation. Odoo 18 connects your shop floor straight to the top floor, giving leaders live, unified dashboards and instant data. No more flying blind. AI-driven automation adapts workflows as things change, automatically. So you slash bottlenecks, improve speed, and free your teams to solve bigger problems. Predictive analytics? Yes, please. Odoo 18 helps you forecast demand, optimize inventory, and plan with precision. Cloud deployment means you can access your data, manage updates, and connect machines from anywhere at any time. And role-based dashboards keep everyone focused. Managers, engineers, or operators, each gets exactly what they need. That's next-level productivity. Odoo 18 isn't just smart, it's adaptable. Unified dashboards powered by AI track machines, order queues, and supply data all in one. If there's a problem, you get alerted immediately. No more guesswork. It integrates seamlessly with IoT devices and cloud platforms. Imagine smart sensors predicting when your equipment needs service. Maintenance gets scheduled at just the right time. No more surprise breakdowns. Rollout updates fast. Remote teams stay in sync and secure. Best of all? Industry packs for food, pharma, electronics, and more. Let you add features as you need them. Your ERP grows with you. Fast process changes? New lines or regulations? Odoo 18 handles it, no drama. So, are you ready for 2025? Because with Odoo 18, you don't just keep up, you lead. Say goodbye to slow, outdated ERPs. Embrace real-time data, AI-driven automation, and flexible, cloud-powered solutions tailored to your industry. Join the manufacturers who thrive on agility. Future-proof your operations. Respond to change with confidence. Grow faster and smarter than ever before. What's next? See Odoo 18 in action. Book your personalized demo today and step boldly into the future of manufacturing. Link in description.